Hi, my name is Mohamed AbdelAziz. I'm the Cloud Vendor Business Manager in Meta region, and today we will talk about Acronis Cyber Cloud. Acronis Cyber Cloud is a single, easy-to-implement tool that leverages our new generation technologies to boost your data protection. Through one installation, Acronis Cyber Cloud delivers everything needed without any additional integration work to safeguard data and ensure business continuity and productivity. Acronis Cyber Cloud includes 4 services: Acronis Data Backup, Disaster Recovery, File Sync and Share, Acronis Assign, and Acronis Notary. And more services will be added in the future. It's easy to get started. Acronis Cyber Cloud has zero cost, pay-as-you-go licensing model, allowing you to start selling with no CapEx. Plus, you can offer a 30-day trial to your customers to help them with the onboarding. With Acronis Cyber Cloud, you will enjoy more revenue, increase customer retention, differentiate yourself with unique options, and providing more services and watch your customer retention grow. Also defend against ransomware with Acronis Active Protection and reduce recovery time with Acronis Instant Restore. Build your own brand with white labeling option with multi-tier, multi-tenant options. You can choose any module that matches your needs. Acronis Cyber Cloud offers you luxury of choice, so you can use Acronis hosted module where you can save all your data across Acronis data center itself, or you can use the hybrid model where you can use your own data center and you can use the console and the remote things from Acronis, or you can go for the service provider hosted deployment. The ability to create your own set of customers and your offering and native integration into your infrastructure, it's being given by Acronis Cyber Cloud. How to get started? A lot of partners starting to adapt Acronis Cyber Cloud in the region. For example, if you are selling Office 365, you can easily attach Acronis Backup and help secure your customer data. As the market is having a misunderstanding about how these products work, keeps most of the customers' data unprotected. When it comes to Office 365 backup, we need to educate our customers about how they can secure their data. They are under the impression that Microsoft takes care of it all. So this is the confusion that we are having in the market, and we must work to overcome. For your information, Microsoft only maintain the uptime of the service. They implement replications and data center to data center redundancy to ensure that the customer data is available when needed. But what if he needs it after 90 days or something? They can't help you with that. That's why you need Office 365 backup, or someone to accidentally delete something, or you got attacked by ransomware, or any of the malicious attacks that we used to know or used to have us regrets about not having a backup in our system. So our partner used to adapt this by telling their customers, do you want a standard office or a secured office? And of course, they go for the secured office, the one that has backup. And if you're bundling, you're winning, because as you know, the more you attach products to your customer, the more he becomes attached to you. And of course, that's the ultimate goal or the objective that everyone is looking for, having a loyal customer attached to him and not leaving him for any reason. So if you want to get started, contact us now at Ingram Micro. Thank you.